expanding the idea of index notation in 6a. So we've got to write these in expanded form, and then we're going to be going on to expanding and evaluating. So we've got some examples here. How would you write this one here, a cubed? Well, in expanded form, it would be a times a times a. So a cubed is a times a times a. Next one, we've got xy all to the power of 4. Now, what that all to the power of 4 is saying that everything in the bracket will be times by itself 4 times. So what we now have is xy times xy times xy times xy. The very last example is 2 times a cubed times b squared. Let's see if we can zoom in a little bit. There we go. Now, in this example, and I'll switch to green, we've got 2, we have an a cubed, and we have a b squared. Now, the reason I've written this out is because the cubed is only talking to the a. The squared is only talking to the b. The 2, there's no power talking to the 2. So let's write that in expanded form. It will be 2 times a times a times a, because of a cubed, and then it'll be times b by b, which is the b squared. So below there's some your turns. Can you please pause the video now and have a crack at those? Then we'll go through the your turns. Okay, we're going to go through the your turns now. So let's write these in expanded form. You should have this, this, and this. So hopefully you got those. Let's move on and look at some expanding and evaluating. Now the word evaluate means to find the answer, okay, or simplify. So in this case here, we have some, we're going to find a numerical answer, okay, so a final numerical answer. So 5 cubed is 5 times 5 times 5, that's expanded form, we've done that. Now let's evaluate. Well, 5 times 5 is 25, times 5 is 125. I think we all know that one. Next one, b, this is negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2, because there's 5 of those. And then let's go along. 2 times 2 is negative 4, sorry, positive 4, sorry, then times by negative 2 is going to be positive 8. Negative 8, sorry, times by negative 2 again is going to be positive 16, and then going across, and times by negative 2 once more is going to be negative 32. The very last one, we've got this fraction over here. It's going to be 2 on 5 times 2 on 5 times by 2 on 5. Now we know with our fractions, we times the tops and the bottoms together. 2 times 2 times 2 becomes 8 over 125. Okay, so hopefully you got that one. Pause the video now, have a go at the your turns, and then see if you got the answer right. The your turns are going on now. So we've got 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Give yourself a tick if you've got that. And that's 4 times 4, which is 16. Give yourself a tick if you have that. Next one, we've got negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3, which makes positive 9 times negative 3, which is negative 27. The next one is 4 on 3 times 4 on 3, which makes 16 on 9. So give yourself a tick if you've got all those there. In the next video, we'll be looking at how to write things in index form.